Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy fasting to all Muslim. Uh, Today I'm the moderator. I'm Ame from the InfoTrack, and together with me is Mr. Lim Bungkok or BK Lim. Here I'm pleased to welcome you to the first webinar to our webinar today. And the title for webinar today is Unlocking Business Potential with the AI Technology in Power Platform webinar. Now we talk through the topic we will cover today webinar. Number one, how this tool can affect adversely to your business need and enhance productivity. Attendee will be gain practical insight through the real world success story and the case study. The webinar will include the recap of the key point, additional resources and information on the future training opportunity to support your continuous learning and skill development. This 2-hour webinar session will provide a clear understanding of benefit AI technology in Power Platform. And also we can know how to increase our business potential in AI technology in Power Platform. Without further ado, I would like to invite our speaker today, Mr. BK Lim. Mr. BK Lim, are you ready?
Yes. Thanks,
Okay,
Amir. Thanks for
I will pass the floor to you.
yeah. Thanks, Amir. Thanks the introduction. Yeah. All right. I think I need to share the screen. Yep. Just let me know, Amir, if you all guys actually cannot see the screen. Can see the screen.
Yeah, can clear.
All right. Okay. Thank you once again. Thank you, Amir. Yeah. All right. And good morning and to everyone. And also happy fasting month at least to the Muslim friend. Yeah, all right. Very soon actually we'll celebrate the Hari Raya. Okay, by the way, once again, I'm actually is happy and also excited to be here and talking about the unlocking business potential with the AI technology on the Power Platform, Archive low code lah. Maybe some of you already heard about it. No worry. So along these 2 hour section, I will share with you. All right. So let me just quickly introduce about myself. Yeah. My name is Lim Kok. Yep. Right. You guys can call me BK, preferable. Yeah. I'm a cloud technology specialist. I definitely actually is the IT background. Yeah. Started IT since actually is the 1996. Never count. I think it's more than 25 years already in the IT industry, from on-premises and to the cloud. Yeah, and even actually it's hybrid cloud the solution, hybrid cloud environment. I played a role when actually I was in the previous employee. That is the insurance or FSI, Finance Institute. Yeah, and also the working across the other industry like oil and gas manufacturing. And I played a role actually as a cloud architect, and definitely that actually is the working a different kind of those actually is a platform in Microsoft, very specialized focus on Microsoft platform. And of course, I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. Once again, welcome all of you. Let's get started. What actually is our topic today? Yeah. All right. So this will be actually just the high level actually agenda. Yeah. So this agenda actually will go through with you all actually introduction of why the low code basically is why Microsoft Power Platform. There is the four pillar, four pattern. Yeah, we will actually discuss with you from this the low code platform. How actually to bring the business value to you and to teams and to department and to organization. All right. As you can see, this is a pattern of the value. We will cover the four pillar here: application, modernization, how actually can this the solution low code help you to extend the LOB line of a business system. How can actually use the Power Platform here optimize, yeah, with the hyper automation. I think everyone actually is organization talking about the automation. And then last and not least, actually, I will quick introduction about how you can bring your Copilot here. Nevertheless, also I will actually talk about what is the local platform. Yeah, they are the ecosystem of value in terms of the governance, security, in terms of the data platform the value, and what is the capability. And the last and least actually is, last and not least actually I will show you actually is what is the training courses our training center will be offers to you. And of course the Q&A, if they say it's a time permitted, else actually we will collect as Amel said, we will collect actually your Q question, and then we will compile it. All right. So let's move on. Yeah. All right. So that is the slide here, right? Yeah, it's it's a source actually from IDC, okay, and analysis actually expecting, yeah, this the application which actually nearly to the 1 million, yeah, to be built by this 2028. Okay, so having said so, I think that is a lot of organization, yeah, they are actually there is a high demand to build the apps here. So that actually is searching this digital demand, which actually is expecting by the year 2028. All right. Of course, with this actually is searching here, right? The increasing of the demand. Yeah. Okay. So all the people, developer, IT professional, business analysis, even the frontline worker, yeah, they will feel the they feel the very stressed, right? And not overwhelmed by the volume and the pace of the work, means actually everything need to be go fast, right? Or not high demand and so on. And cause that this actually is the challenge with those actually is leader, yeah. Whether actually is a business leader, technical leader, or your manager, right? They actually is worry about that actually is the talent in the next year. It probably actually is the more and more, right? Or not, right? So in order actually to combat the or overcome this challenge, so we have to, yeah, we have to upskill, we have to accelerate the developer. Yeah. When we say the developer here, we actually to refer the pro developer, like maybe actually we call coder or programmer. Of course, we also will overcome this challenge by train more or upskill more again, or empower the makers here. All right. So that is with this actually is those the skilled people, yeah, which actually can help you actually to build a solution. All right. So having said so here, right? These are the solution come with this the AI and the low code capability. How can get you guys whether actually you are from you are the developers, you are IT admins, or you are the business and the front worker here, right? Yeah, leverage or optimize this actually is a tools how actually to build the solution. Remember we talked about the digital actually is a solution application search actually by 1B, right? By year 2028. I believe you also have a this type of a challenge right now. Okay, having said so, yeah. That actually is to introduce you guys actually is a Microsoft Power Platform. So it's the world leading the AI and the low code, yeah, designed to empower you guys, yeah, from a business analysis again, and the frontline the worker, yeah, or even actually is the extent to the professional developer can rapidly build the solution, meet your the digital actually demand, yeah, right, by feeding the business process gap, yeah. So Power Platform actually is the Microsoft that manage the cloud, the software as a service solution, yeah, on top of the Microsoft platform, which actually is Azure. So you can build on this platform come with or built in by the security and the easy to manage, and you want to meet this the governance the capability here. All right. So just to give you the high level, of course, I will actually talk to you guys all this actually is the product. So Power Platform here comes with the Power Apps, Power Automation, yeah, Power Pages, yeah, BI, Copilot, and empowered by this actually is or we call it the supplement or support by this actually is the platform here include the connector, AI builder, even actually it's very easy to create those command, such similar like the Excel formula. and scalable the data system like the Dataverse. So this is just at a high level. All right. So this actually is just give you guys also is the market leader. Yeah. Based on actually is a Gartner actually is a Magic Quadrant report here. All right. Microsoft actually is for the 5+ the year. Yeah. Leading on this low-code platform. Okay. Of course, I want also actually to bring everyone attention here, right? There is also another the Gartner actually is a report here, right? I know this actually is a slide, I think it's a couple 2-3 years ago, but I believe this actually is the slide here, right? Can actually give you everyone here how actually is a low code tools actually is the demand, yeah. So today, this year actually is 2025, right? So this actually is a look back actually is by go back to the year 2020. Like actually is less 25% actually is organization, very minority. Yep, they are actually using this low code. So we expecting here, right? Means actually is my next year. All right, that is the huge the increase the 75% of the enterprise the apps the development was using this low code here. Okay, having of course, this also actually is the organization, those the IT, the management team here, right? And they believe they actually say this actually is increase the embedded the AI into the low code, which actually can help them actually to maximize the technology. 87% of the CL and the IT pro, yeah, saying low code has made the organization more efficient and increased the innovation, business process, efficiency, and so on. All right. So I would like actually to give everyone today, this is actually is the 4 pillar. Yeah, there is a 4 value with this the end-to-end AI and together with the local platform, how actually is unlocking actually is the business the process, yeah, business the potential here. All right. So let's look into this actually is the 4 the pillar 2. I'm going actually to talk detail about this. They will be actually consist of the application modernization, how actually the Power Platform extend the line of the business the system, how actually to optimize, yeah, with the local platform again with the hyper automation, and with this actually is the platform you can build your own the Copilot. Okay, let's look actually is the first, yeah. Okay, application modernization, that actually is the nowadays organization, yeah. Those are the apps, yeah, those actually system here, right? You want to achieve that this is the drivers here, right or not? So of course, organization actually they have a lot of those are the app and the system. They do not have anymore the use here. So some actually is apps they are actually is to challenges on those security risks here. All right. And some of the actually also case you have the data locked in the system with very outdated technology stack here, which actually increase your cost, which actually also is very hard to maintain. So in order actually to achieve the modernization the driver here, yeah, all right, or objective here. So this is actually is the problem and the issue organization want to achieve this driver. Example, right? I want to this my app which can enable the mobile use. I want actually is quick this the ROI, right? I want to overcome those actually apps is already outdated, yeah, which actually just now we talk about. I want actually to be fast, yeah, because of the high demand, agile, everything want to be fast and so on. I already have those data here, and then I want to build the apps quickly. Okay, so once again, I actually show you guys that this actually is the earlier I showed to you guys. This actually is by the 2028 in the 3 years, yeah, in the 3 actually is by today, right? So we need actually to overcome the high demand on the digital solution, even your business application here. Okay, so this actually is to back a little bit. I want to actually to share everyone what actually is the application actually is era, yeah, right. How actually to shift from this the first actually is started. We have it all those are the applications like CRM, ERP, yeah, and even those actually is other standalone application you build on top of the on-prem data center. Means actually you build internally in your own server. Some people understand in my own data center, my server and so on here. Right. Let's shift this actually is the edge to another actually is the what I call it moving. Yeah, moving this actually is a on-prem actually is a hosted application by your own, and then you are actually to transform the two layer, which actually is on the bottom two layer. Example, the services. Yeah, all right. Example, your on-prem data center to the cloud. So we are leverage actually is a cloud the the advantage like platform as a service, cloud as a infrastructure as a service. Example, they offer you actually is a VM, yeah, and the app services and so on. And while organization, they still actually is focusing how to build the application on the UX, in the logic and the data as well. All right. Now, there's actually two major shift actually on the this, yeah, which actually is that when the introduction actually is on the Power Platform or low-code platform here. So you can be, it can be actually to focusing right now actually is on the modern the application with this the low code the momentum here, right? Okay, then we push actually some those actually is the core system down a layer. So you are building the app automation to modernize, yeah. So you are pushing also the micros management actually is those the cloud resources down further here, all right? So of course, this is not the end of the shift here, right? Now, we are actually move another actually is the shift here. In fact, now we are actually beginning of the with the AI the capability. Some of those actually is just now we talk about the Power Platform automation. We can be actually turned or transformed into the intelligent or orchestrator by the AI technology here. All right. Okay, now of course, with this actually is the apps development needs actually is growing. Yeah. So there is a lot of work actually need to be done. So you need to find the best way to clear your the backlog here. So with this actually is the modernization of the apps building here. How actually this the Power Platform here or local here, how can accelerate you with the example, you are in the different actually is we call it driver here or different layer on different level here. How with this the Power Platform actually can percentage in terms of percentage, how actually to speed up, how actually to accelerate with this actually is a low code platform here. All right. Of course, we did actually is the Power Platform here. They not just actually is the focusing on the maybe traditionally actually you still have a legacy on the on-premises, but you probably also still have those application you want to actually optimize in terms actually by code optimization. You probably actually convert your application to the SaaS the solution. Example, maybe in terms of HR system, I acquired or I actually is transform it or change it to those actually ready the product in the cloud here. So can we use this Power Platform actually to integrate, yeah, from a different layer? So the answer actually is yes there. All right. So let's look actually this is what the different driver we have it. So we may have an application still remain. You know, some of legacy apps is very hard actually to move out actually from the on-prem. So that will be actually still remain on the prem. So you probably actually to shifted this application to the cloud. You probably actually want to enhance it by actually using those existing the coding the program or coding those actually languages, or you probably want to rebuild actually from the scratch. So I just give up actually those the application, but I built from the scratch. Or another actually is a solution I just buy and replace it. Other than that, that is the last piece. Definitely this application is a retired. I just remove it. Okay. Now with this actually is here, right? You can be actually to choosing this is we call it the stack, the technology, the stack here. So they can support all different the layer or driver just now I share with you. Instead, you mix and match those the solution. All right, Microsoft the cloud here in this here, right, is a highly secure and manageable Agile platform. So you can allow you to build your own industry, the specific component. It also actually is a platform actually built as well in the Microsoft Dynamic 365, Microsoft 365, right? So you can understand that this is the Power Platform. It also is built not only just Azure, but also can be fully integrated with those the standalone and the third-party Azure application. So this is the Power Platform. It can support, yeah. With this actually, they are the low-code push, so they can be actually to support all these actually different development. Example, you still maintaining traditional cloud development, you still maybe have a manual development, or even actually you may have those specialized development here. So Power Platform support end-to-end with this actually is all kind of the development here, right? With the application modelization with the Power Platform, so we can see 90% of app modelization can be accelerated, can be supported with the Power Platform here, right? So you can, as I said, earlier, you can convert to the SaaS solution, help it to convert to the platform as a service with actually it's an easy direct integration with the Power Platform here. Yeah, if they say you're still maintaining on the on-premises legacy system, so that actually is the capability allow you to integrate. All right. So that actually is some those actually is a point here, right? Yeah, from the again is a source. Yeah. So this is the CIO and the IT professional say local is very useful. Yeah, which actually reduce the time. Yeah, boost the employee the efficiency with a modern solution, and of course reduce technical actually is a debt here lah. Right. Let's look into this actually is an end-to-end the complete the solution from the Microsoft the Power Platform here. All right. Let's take this the deeper look here on that. Hey, of course. We just actually look what the actually is the foundation already covered by the Power Platform. So they already come with this the built-in, yeah, which actually is on the Microsoft Cloud. Those are the foundation actually security and the governance you already know, or probably you know or you don't know. However, this actually is the fundamental actually the component, yeah. Is the Microsoft actually is already ready for you, all right? So you can be actually leverage or rely on the Microsoft Cloud Security and the governance, yeah, and of course the build actually is 1,000 building for those actually is the end user or 10,000 of the user here, right? That is the foundation. So this this is a built-in actually is the security and the governance the capability they come with those that manage environment. All right, Power Platform the pipeline enable you actually with the application life management the capability, and why is also to proactively manage those actually is application risk or maybe security risk, environment the routing and the ground rules, and make it your possible actually to manage. Yeah, they say you want to comply to this security and the compliance, right? Let's move on actually to the features actually is come with this Microsoft Power Platform. So they have the robust data and the integration platform here, right? So there is the Power Platform come with the Microsoft Data World. It's a fully managed data platform. Sometimes I call data system with the AI centric. They have the more than the 1,400 connected, allow you actually to integrate not only just a Microsoft ecosystem, but other the third-party system, example the SAP, Oracle, and many more. Sure. And also they come with a deep analytical integration with the Microsoft Fabric, data lakes, and of course come with they say the connected does not come with those the pre-built or built-in. So we still able to build the custom connector for those legacy apps, which actually introduce the RPA, as an API here, right? We can, the Power Platform also can accelerate modelization, not only just actually is a professional developer, but also actually is the apps maker like you, right? So this is a complete suite actually of the building tools. So they come with the Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, and the Copilot Studio, right? with this actually is tools actually is a low code, yeah, even actually to the no code, and we call it actually is a recreative programming, yeah. So you can write this actually, we call it the formula. I don't call it the code formula here, and easily actually to be the learn very quickly because it's like the Excel, those are the formula, right? So with this actually is tools here, actually you can build a web apps, mobile apps, whatever actually is listed here, include the Copilot, include actually is the DPA, digital process automation, robotic process automation, right? So if you are from the maker, which actually is the no code, and even to the not limited just actually to the maker, but also they can be extensible to the professional developers with the pro code here, right? So we have a two mode, yeah, to meet this actually is group of the people here. First actually is the personal, yeah, means actually is the business user like you, yeah, and also citizen. Sometimes we call it your guys actually citizen developer using the Power Platform. With this actually is true just now we talked about, yeah, and they actually can be support the dataverse, yeah. You can build from the Office UI. Basically, it's a very they simplified it when actually you want to build the apps or build the automation directly from those the UI, yeah. Example in the SharePoint, even the Teams here, okay. And then of course with the connector, not only just the natively to the data system like Dataverse, but also with the connector, we can actually connect to the Microsoft ecosystem. And of course, the data source actually from the Microsoft system, example, the Excel and so on, right? To those actually is the enterprise the application model, right? So developer can build their application from ground up using the Pro Code tools. Yep. Okay. Different team actually build apps on their preferable the stack. You know, actually is the different actually team they can use their they actually have to find or familiar different kind of actually is the platform or code here in order actually to build the enterprise the apps the model here. So on the other hand, Power Platform is the application stack as a service. So you can see software as a service, means actually as a service. So Microsoft manage the application stack, yeah, the enterprise from having to multiple the application the and can take the advantage of the new features with the low code. I think that is again the familiarity just now I run through with you guys like Power Apps, Copilot, yeah, Dataverse, yeah, and also and so on. Yeah, right. So with this actually you are actually is the hassle-free how actually to sizing, installing, and so on because they offer as the service here. All right. Okay, now this actually is the talk about this actually even, yeah, we not limited actually just now talk about the low code or no code to the maker, yeah, pro coder. Even you want to the advanced, yeah, this is you are advanced developer. You want to build the complex actually application. So how can I actually extend it or leverage actually is outside of this the Power Platform, which actually is come from the Microsoft ecosystem like Azure services here. So once again, it's the direct integration or native the integration with this. All right. Okay, you can improve this the experience at least by the AI, the intelligence here throughout this step. So Copilot, yeah, bring you guys actually to help the end user improve the end user experience, and also the maker can be the accelerated with this Copilot in Power Apps. Later actually we have a demo with you. Yeah, of course the many other like the general those the deployment notes and the proactive the advisor. So this is the one actually is the feedback, yeah, from a director. Talk about with this actually is a Copilot impact. So they multiply actually the velocity to create a flow. 60% actually is a higher success rate when you build actually is a big the Copilot here. So this is a summarize actually is the app modernization with the Power Platform here. And as I say again, 87% of the CIO and the IT pro low code is very helpful in the other organization on the application modernization here. All right. So this is the technology actually is the across with the entire Microsoft system. All right. Just actually give you guys this is the overview. I just want to quickly actually to bring you guys actually is this is the Power Platform today we talk about. Come with this the Power BI, Power S, Power H, and so on. Here actually we give you some the description actually is about the what is this the component and the function about. Right. Let's look into the individual this the component today we have, especially we want to talk about the Power Apps, Power Automate, and even this the Provider Studio here. Right now. So with the Power Apps, yeah, you as a business user or citizen developer, and even the pro developer here, you can modelize the process, yeah, by those the challenges you have and build a solution actually is quickly and every day for you. All right. If you look at this animation from the slide here, right? They actually is the first AI the capability in the Power Apps. It means that actually, I believe you want to design the form, Power Apps form here, right? Then actually you will be drawing on your or sketching on your paper, or maybe actually you have the mobile phone take a picture from the form, yeah, anyway. So you can be upload the picture, yeah, all right, or use those the template they have or sample they have, then they can quickly build the Power Apps for you. All right. So that is the one of the capability in the Power Apps here. Of course, next actually you can actually leverage this or use the Power Automate. Yeah. From this the animation again, you will find out actually that is the not writing the code. With those actually is the reach of the template they have it, you can quickly just select the template and quickly actually build the automation and the business process in the digital solution here, right? Okay, now I want to bring actually everyone here. This is actually the first demo I have it. Yeah, that is the what do you call it the scenario. Yeah, bring up actually from the student. So BK, can we actually build this the credit card? Yeah, limit request, yeah, and with the approval, yeah, I say that is not a problem. So with this the local platform from the Power App and the Power Automate, so we can actually to build the Power App form in this case. So once actually Power Apps form we build, completed, developed successfully, so we can be shared to those the user would like to use this the form here. All right. So from the devices they have, whether it is mobile, laptop, PC, they just can be accessed the form easily, yeah, and anytime, yeah. All right. Once actually I submitted this request here, okay, then actually they will be inserting the data. The record just now is submitted into the Microsoft system. In this case, actually it's a SharePoint here, right? So once actually the record is inserted, then actually they will trigger we call it the Power Automate, yeah. So you can see that actually it's an email sent to the approval, yeah. And then I know the screen a bit small, but you probably can see that it's a button. Actually, it's called approve and the reject. Then the follow actually is follow the approval. They will be actually is a route to the second approval, and then the second approval receive the same email with the approval and the reject button as well here. Then following to the final the approval and so on. Right, whatever actually just I demonstrate to you. Traditionally, actually your guy would need to get the pro developer, right, enough, or software developer to build. So probably they will take actually is the amber time, right, to you, come back to you, right? And of course, with the actually you are the business owner, the process you know well. So how can I actually leverage or use this local platform to build this? So without the coding here, let me just show you this is what is the behind the coding we have. All right. So I believe you guys actually can see that is the no code actually is in this the building of the Power the automate here. So it kind like actually is a flow chart, right? Yeah. So I always actually in the sharing here talk everyone. This is just like fill in the blank. With this actually shows that the flow chart actually they show to you. I just feel what actually information actually I need. With those actually is the familiar the Excel formula or command or code here. All right. Now I want to move the everyone actually is next to introduce you actually is called Power Platform. So traditionally, actually, we want to build a Power Apps and a Power Automate. So we just like I show you how actually to build the form and those are the code. But with the introducing this the Copilot, so can I use the Copilot actually to get the Power Platform, create the application, create the automate actually to me? So the answer actually is a yes. Let's actually have a look. All right. So what the AI does for this Power Platform? So it's a next generation AI for developer. So with this actually is a Copilot in Power Platform. Yeah. So we can be actually to prompt with those the natural language. Yeah. To generate this the Power Platform in terms of example Power Apps. Yeah. Or Power Automate. Yeah. With those actually flow they created. They also come with those actually generative the AI template, AI assistant, the data integration. Yeah, they actually from the developer, the persona perspective. How about for the end user or business user, actually is a persona. Yeah, so that is the next generation to you. How actually can use the AI generated actually help me to analyze, help me actually to give the answer and give this generative the AI the features here, right? To prompt to the Power Platform, create the action actually for me. All right, now let's actually have a look on this Copilot in the Power Apps here. So it's an AI assistant in building the topic here. I believe you guys can see actually my slide animation. We just actually is the prompting this the question, all right, or your needs actually to the Copilot here. So with this actually is an AI the assistant here. They actually able to create a data table. And with this actually is the AI the capability that will be actually help you to fast the deployment. Yeah. With this actually we just use a natural language here. Let me just show you actually is the demo I created. Yeah. All right. Now let me just play this actually is the recorded video I recorded for this the Power Apps I created through the Copilot. Yeah. So you were able to see that is the what do you call it? The box asks you actually to enter what you need, actually is a Power Apps to create for you. So in this case, actually, I say I want to create a spending management. Then actually they will create the data table with those are the actually is the columns to you. All right. You probably not happy with this actually is the column, or maybe you're thinking I want to add more the column. Yeah. Also, you were able to see some actually is we call it the prompt now or suggestion actually to you. Yeah. So with this actually, I just can be describe what you want actually to change. Example, I want to change the columns name, yeah, to something else. All right. Let's make a quick one, guys. Yeah. Fast forward. All right. So you can see it is right now from the transaction ID, they will change to the trans ID. So let's have a look. All right. With this actually, you probably not thinking, hey, this is a table. Actually, I need to add more the column, or maybe I want to change this date format. So I just actually give the prompt to the Copilot. Then actually they will help you to make the changes. Yeah, I believe it's actually just a fast forward to everyone to have a quick look. All right, last thing actually I say, can I actually add more to this column and so on. All right. Once actually you're ready, yeah, then you just can hit the create the apps here, yep, and the create apps the immediate, yeah, I mean actually is the one actually you hit this create apps here within a few minutes here, actually they were able to build the Power Apps for you. Right, compared to traditionally, actually we say we still need to drag and drop, but does not mean actually stop you. They say you're thinking you still want to modify, they still actually able to drag other those the control, yeah, from a Power Apps here. All right, or component here. So can I add a button, all of these things? I just fast forward to give you everyone to have a quick look how this the Copilot actually help you to speed up the development here. Right. Okay, I think that is the demo how actually use the Copilot in the Power Apps here. Now, I move on actually to the next actually is the Copilot in the Power Automate. So similarity, this actually is the Copilot in the Power Platform. In this case, is a Power Automate. Yeah. So we can use the OpenAI Codex AI, those actually is the back end, the GPT-4 translate actually is our natural language to the code here. So through this actually is what I call it, the animation. you guys actually probably can see I just typing the describe, yeah, to the Power Automate in Copilot, the prompt that have, yeah. And of course, I also can be use the AI, the Copilot here, help me to alter it. Means actually I want to change it, yeah. Those are the flow. I want to inserting, I want to remove those actually is the action or step here, right? At your fingertips here, right? Let me just quickly actually show you actually is my the next demo I built on that, yeah. Right, let me just play on that. Okay, you will actually see the first screen, they already have some those AI assistant the template, yeah, right. Of course, you still can actually is that is subjected, yeah, those are the prompt actually to you. But in my actually is a demo here. I just want to show you actually through the AI, through the Power Automate, the cloud flow I created. And the right hand side actually they will pop up the Copilot actually to you. Of course, they give you actually some of the description and so on. Right now, we try at least to ask my demo here, get the Copilot at least to create a Power Automate flow for me. So in my case, I say send me a Teams message when receive the email from someone. So in this case, my someone actually this is an example. Yeah, all right, my someone here. Right. So one ATP, I submitted this prompt to the Copilot. So they will actually to start, yeah, it will actually find out they will start created, yeah, created. Those are the connector we require and the with this is the flow here, right? And yeah. So you probably actually still want to make the changes, yeah, make the changes with the Power Automate flow here. Then we can actually submit another actually prompt. In this case, right now, actually there will be the added the conditions for me. Yeah, right. So from that, then actually we can configure what actually is the you want to move and so on. Yeah. In my this actually is demo, I keep actually to ask the Copilot make the changes. Yeah, make the changes. Send the reply message sender when I reply them the shortly. Yeah. Right. So amazing. Right now, actually they add the one more actually is the flow. Yeah, or action here. All right. In the below after the condition, the box here, right? Now, so you can click the, of course, you can click the save here. That is the one of the built-in, we call it the flow checker, able to help you to identify what actually is the setting you yet actually is completed. Yeah, all right. So now I just move the fast forward with this. Yeah, with this actually is the Copilot in the Power Automate. So now my flow actually is ready, so we can perform the testing. Right, so I just skip on with this. Yeah, right. So with this actually is there are the capability that actually help you actually to create the Power Apps, Power Automate in a minute here. Right. I want to share with everyone actually is the next topic is talk about the extend life of the business system here. Yep. So this is the second actually is pillar. Okay, now let's look actually some those actually challenges, yeah, or the problem or issue have it in your organization. All right. We know actually is the most of you, yeah, we can say also more than the 80%, average 80%, yeah, have the LOB, line of the business system. When you say line of the business system here, you probably have the CRM, you have an ERP. With this actually is the tool actually I have. Yep. This is CRM and the ERP system. Yep. And this is the foundation actually is the organization will store their data, execute those are the business process, the flow, whether it's the CRM, whether actually it's in the ERP. And of course, they can actually is to use these two systems actually for the business, the operation here. Okay, now, but not all the application actually you acquire or you purchase are 100% perfect, right? And not so you as you actually have this challenge and the issue and also struggle, yeah, because some of the actually system actually is they have a restriction, right? And not so restriction actually is to restrict you actually is to go further actually to meet your business process here. So then you start at least to create your own workaround. Yeah. So this is what actually we call you guys actually is called shadow IT. All right. We did actually shadow IT here, right? Yeah. I take just an example. You just downloading actually is the document, Excel document, yeah, into somewhere. Maybe it's the cloud or the hard disk here. Then actually you start actually acting insecure, right? Not insecure. So, but for your actually is the perspective here. You just actually want to work around, right? Or not? Yep. Okay, and then of course with this actually is a workaround. What we say actually is insecure, and then that is not approved by the IT. So how can we overcome this actually is on here? Once again, it's a Microsoft Power Platform. We will look into how to extend the line of the business here. So what are the consequences if they say you are actually on the shadow IT, right or not? So it can lead of the some those consequences. Example, it could be actually is ranging from inaccurate data, yep, because isn't tracked in the document business process. Basically, your gap, right? All right, and also inefficient the process as a people leverage a manual workaround to fill the gap, right or not? And of course, increase the IT the costs here, yeah, which actually is a come back to you and then in a form security breach and then the cost the time and money. So that is the consequence that actually happen. So with this here, right? Yeah. So that is the why actually is an organization need to extend their line of the business here, right? And how to do so, right? So customer always want to actually to complete, or you also want to complete by the extending, which actually just now we talk about the workaround, but it's insecure or the inefficient here. Okay. However, yeah. So this application just now we talk is not a perfect. So you can continue actually to mount they are being assigned tasks can be complete in the existing line of the business. So therefore you create your own workaround just now we talk about. Yeah. So this is with this actually is extending. Yeah, you can actually to build the app development, build the custom connector or middleware across the system. Once again, that is the easy to integrate with those custom web and the existing application you have. So you also were looking at is automation, integration, and the data management example like scripting and the automation. And of course, you want to enhancing the functionality and the user experience. So you create those the custom component and so on. With this actually, you want actually to achieve this here, right? Yeah. So that actually is the come with this actually is the Power Platform here. With this actually is just now we talk about those challenges you have like silo system, yeah, limit the scalability, lack of the interoperability, yeah, ongoing maintenance which is required, and you want at least to build this meet the objective here or business objective. You build with the agility, single source of the truth, yeah, streamline maintenance with the SaaS tool here, right? And of course, how to extend the line of the business system with the low code. And you want to empower the end user, how can be easy to integrate, yeah, whether it's a direct integrate, yeah, or actually it's through the connector integration here, eliminate those the human intervention manual process, yeah, and of course we want to improve the user experience with the AI. So let's talk about actually you want to build a single source of the truth here. So you want to looking for the capability, the integration. So you can connect the data across your enterprise into single cohesive the view here, right? You want actually is my data. Just now we talk about those the shadow IT. You probably create those the data security risk here and so on. So how we can actually use this the single sources to overcome this? Yeah. All right, with the role-based access, so you can secure the information. You want to scalability, right? So I can be actually to extend it, yeah, to the others Microsoft actually services like Azure SQL, log storage, and of course you want actually to extensible for the pro developer, data science, and many more here. Yeah, right. Of course, we just now we talked about that. Actually, we always want to meet the organization. Actually, is data governance, data security, right? So we can protect your data in the Power Platform with the managed environment. So with this managed environment here, we can enforce the consistency data governance policy across the environment actually you created or you built here, right? And we also want to have the advanced security features here, right? Such as encryption, yeah, access control, how to protect your sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access here, right? And we need a monitoring. With this monitoring, also we want to ensure the compliance. So enable actually to organization, yeah, to track the data usage. Yep. With this strategy is a scalable the management the data sort environment we have here. Right. This the as line of the business actually extension here. You also want to looking for the how the integration with your the core system. Example, remember just now we talked about your core system actually is a CRM, ERP system, out of box here. So you can extend your core system with a native integration. Yeah. So include the Azure and Microsoft 365. You can enhance your existing infrastructure without the need of the migration. Right. You can quickly build the solution with your core system with the pre-built connector 1400. When actually I started the Power Platform here, connected they just actually is a few hundred, I think less than the 300. Now already increased to the 1400. So this pre-built actually is connected, can cover everything from the enterprise application or maybe to your the spatial application or solution. Yeah, right. Last actually that is a pre-built the template and the flow with the make you the quickly build the solution for the common process. Yeah, right. So let's jumping in actually to the these are the features or this advantage. So we can develop the faster than even the before. So with this low code solution, they can solve you actually is a critical business challenge. Example, eliminate those the manual process. Yeah. Maybe just now we talk about you downloading actually is Excel here. If you need to manual massage the data, you need actually the automation store into the somewhere and they get the work the approval and so on. Right. And improve the end user experience with the AI assistant with the Copilot Studio, so you can be streamlined, yeah, the flow of the work or task, even the action into the AI, the Power Assistant. In this case, actually, it's a Copilot. We can use a Copilot actually Studio to to create and to customize it, yeah, and of course boost the productivity for everyone. So by the automating repeating tasks and complex those process with the AI, and you can be focused more on those the core business, right? So I know actually is everyone actually is type this actually is shadow IT, right? Now remember we talk about. So this is a workaround create you more the work here, all right? With this actually just now we said develop here faster, and then you can right now also free up more time focusing on your business value. Yeah. Okay. So we can seamless extend the line of the business with the Power Platform. Yeah. So you can build on top of the Dataverse. Yeah. If you look on the green icon, so it's the scalable, reliable, the data, the services or data system from a Power Platform. So you can be eliminate the manual process because the Dataverse they come with those the business rules, business process, streamline the business process as well. Yeah, which actually you can be simplified it by using the Power Apps and the Power Page here to create the apps in the internally and for the externally use as well here. With this data version also they have the automation, yeah, analyze actually is the document attachment to update your line of the business to trigger the process here. Then also we can deploy the AI assistant. It's just now we talk about here, right? Now, we can eliminate, just now we talked about, just a little bit here, create user-friendly apps, right? Let's review the apps with the previous component, okay? Replace the manual, the process. Remember just now we talked about, I think traditionally most you guys again is on the Excel, the entry. Just maybe a little bit sharing. Yesterday we have the meeting with the customer. So what actually they discussed, they got the factory plant. So they actually used to collect the data by the Excel worksheet. All right. And then they actually submitted to the HQ. From the HQ, then actually they enter back this data manually back into the system. All right. Because they are the legacy app, they're not able to support the multi-plant or multi-factory here. So I think this is a typical, actually, is the manual process, right or not? Yeah, all right, just a bit sharing here, what we had a meeting with the customer yesterday. So you can improve the end user, boost your conversation. Yeah, so you can build your own the AI, the copilot or AI assistant here, right? Something actually, example, they say you want to build HR, the assistant example, those are the common questions to the HR. So with this, actually, you can be deployed, integrate with the Microsoft team. You can see actually is the animation, although here actually is another the assistant. I try to relate actually is those the common industry or common scenario you have in. Example, just now we talked about the HR, the assistant, ask about the policy, HR policy, those code of conduct, and so on here, right? So you can customize this community by building publish the prompt. And of course, you can publish those tailored copilot. Yeah, right. It's very easily by the copilot studio here, right? So we can refine again this manual, the align of the business to process with the task and the process mining. There is one of the features actually from the Power Automate, we call it the process mining. Help you to identify what is the process, the automation gap and bottleneck, and then how actually to advise you and optimize the business process actually is the performance. Okay, and of course automate the workflow with the modern legacy system using the advanced DPF and the RPF. So full name of the DPF is a digital process automation, and the RPF. All right. Infuse the AI into the business process. Leverage the AI builder, which actually later part I have a demo to show to everyone how can be the integrate or how can be the use the multiple product actually from the Power Automate AI builder. Yeah, to give you the this actually is the better the productivity or improve or smarter the business process here. All right. So maximize your investment with the low code and the AI. So you can extend your digital transformation tools with the low code here. That is the sum those actually is the business, the benefit here. Yeah, generate those are the actionable data insight. In short, this actually is the dashboard, the report created or built by the Power BI tools here, right? Give you actually is the data analysis and insight here. Increase the organization, the wide collaboration, extend, customize, intelligent collaboration with the Microsoft, the 365 the ecosystem with the low code and accelerated the business process. Yeah, enhance your organization wide. Yeah, with again the AI assistant. Let's look into this actually is those are the entire the system here, Microsoft ecosystem here. How with this actually is those the platform habit, how it is to extend it, right or not? So once again, Power Apps, Power Page, Copilot Studio, and the Power Automate. With also the Microsoft, those are the collaboration tools, communication tool we have, and data analysis tool here. And extend the advanced, not only just actually legacy on-prem system, but other third-party system through the connector again. Yeah, right. So it can be seamless generate those data insight. Yeah, enable the, so we able actually to empower those data professional, low code maker or citizen developer or business user to create those actually is the exceptional the experience and to drive your the business actually value. So with this actually is an integration example like native integration from the Microsoft Dataverse with the organization with the low code here. Yeah. With also another one actually is turn your the whatever those are the data into the insight for your action here. All right. And we can actually connect the Copilot for the M365 to your business data to the more than 1,000. Yeah, just now we had 1,400 here, actually it's 1,000 plus, but in the general terms here, general number here. We can also with this actually is communication tools, which actually from a Copilot, yeah, to provide your response on topic. Yep. And secure your Copilot's communication with the right user access control. So with this actually impact on the extending line of the business here, right? Yeah. So that actually is again a source, yeah, from the broader total economic impact here. 35% actually is time saving for the employee. So having said so, we give you guys actually is more focus on your core business process, right? And not, yeah. And 14.8 million in the operation cost saving here, right? So this is just the research from the Forrester here. All right. I want actually to demonstrate to you guys actually is one of the demo I created. How this actually is the capability of the Power Platform here. Yeah, from we call it the intelligent automation. So let me just a little bit fast forward on this because I want to show you guys one of the legacy system. Probably assist, probably have it in your environment. So you may have this type, we call it a legacy application. Yeah, like example, this is the core typical must run on the desktop, means your computer, your PC. All right, they cannot run over the cloud, must run on your computer here. Okay, I just want to show you this kind of like interface. Let me bring back at least to the front again. So what I want to just demo you guys the demo here. It would be actually the similar the business the challenge you have it. You want to use this actually the capability and features from the Power Platform. Yeah, so we call it the intelligent automation. So you may have such a case actually is whoever, whether it's a vendor, whether actually it's a customer. My case actually is a vendor submitted a document attachment in this actually PDF format. Yeah. And they will say, hey, BK, this is the email I want to sending you, which actually this the PDF is the picture, or it can be the PDF, which actually is contain the invoice, or maybe actually is purchase order, whatever here, right? So I'm use this actually the scenario, example, customer or vendor send to you. Right. So this could be the similar actually is the digital document. You have it in the PDF or maybe in the picture format. So we use the AI builder. It's part of the Power Platform. Yeah. Extract information with those actually pre-trained by the Microsoft already. It is a pre-trained by Microsoft. Those actually is rule you may not pick your business. It can actually is custom built or not, or custom trained or not? The answer actually is a yes. So in this case, actually, we extract with those the train rules, and then they will help me to extract the invoice number. They will help me to extract the invoice total, and also some other information, example like invoice date and so on. Yeah, right. So now, this actually extracted information after extracted through the AI builder, then they will pass to the Microsoft services or system I use is called the Microsoft Teams here. So this actually we call it the Microsoft Teams adaptive card to give the approval, right? To review the information extracted from just now by AI builder with the information extracted, they will appear here. Example 454.166. So you are as an approver, then actually you can submit the approval, yes or no. So why is the approve it? Then actually we will be used actually another the features product from the Microsoft Power Automate. Commonly, probably you guys actually is hear about is called RPA, Robotic Process Automation. So with this actually is the Power Automate the desktop here. Whatever data extracted from the AI builder, I pass to the information I extracted to the legacy system. Then they will start inserting, inserting the data extracted from an AI builder, right? So it's automatically, it's a robotic automatically help you to insert data and whatever those are the selection, which actually is all done by robot. All right. So one actually data have been inserted and submit, Then next actually it will be replied to the vendor, your invoice actually submission successfully with this actually is amount and approve it. All right, let's guess. Do you think actually this actually is the intelligent automation scenario I demonstrate to you? So traditionally, you may need to ask again, coder or professional developer, advanced developer here to write the code to use those actually is a languages code like example C#, Python, whatever here to build for you. So that will actually maybe take a period, right? I don't want to say actually it's a year, a period, right? To come back to you with this actually solution. With the Power Platform here, right? We just actually can be easily build this actually is the case, business case to you by creating the Power Automate, flow. We call it digital process flow here, right? With this actually is the AI builder extract information, integrate back actually to the Power Automate flow again, and then ask the actually the approval. Once actually approval is done, then pass to this the RPA. All right, I will show to you actually is how actually I use the tools here, right? Combination and integration with those actually is the different tools available in the Power Platform here. All right, last and not least, then actually they apply to you. All right, very interesting, right or not? All right, having said so, actually I want actually to bring you guys actually that is the third topic. How can we actually optimize with this the hyper automation here, right? So of course, with what we already covered, the two topics is the apps, the modernization. We know organization we want to look for the fast and rapid build, right or not? So, and towards to this the modernization, you want actually to have the core system what you use it, which actually is you have the challenge, not 100% meet your needs. So you require actually to working as a workaround. In other words, actually become a shadow IT. They want to extend it those are the solution from the line of the business the system. Example CI, ERP. Now that actually through the Power Platform already can be meet what actually is the challenges you have it on the apps modernization and the extend line of the business here. Now let's look on this the third pillar here. This is the third pillar right now. Actually, we want to talk about can we optimize actually by business process or business case here, right? With this automation. Now let's talk about actually is the challenges you have, right? So by many companies already have the automation, probably you already have it, and they sometimes actually they have a challenge, they cannot deliver those actually the customer needs, right or not? So it could be actually is the difficult to use, this the automation tools currently you have it, and is the also hard what they call it the learning curve or actually maybe also limitation and also the adoption as well here. Okay, and another thing also is not enough resources actually to maybe execute. All right, you are not only just actually it's difficult to use, the ecosystem actually is disconnected. In short, actually it's difficult to integrate and orchestrate means actually automate the process. So that actually is you need to multiple the automation tools, right or not? All right. And of course, also fragmented process tool here. Just now I talked about multiple vendor. Indirectly also increase the cost here, right? And not because of the inflexible. And some of the actually is a RPA, yeah, which actually is a cost very high. So that actually is a challenges and the problem issue you have. Okay, now. So what is a hyper automation here? So it's a business driven and push to identify where and automate as many business and the IT process as possible. I think in the summary here, right, you want to looking at is what those the process you have it, the get manual, human intervention, all of these things actually you want to make it fully automated or orchestrated, right or not? Right. So it requires actually you orchestrate use of the multiple technology tools platform include RPA, low code, and the process mining tools here. So that actually we are referring on the hyper automation here. All right, now let's look actually is end to end. What actually is the hyper automation tool at the scale here, right? So in the left hand side actually is the we have this tools actually is the RPA, DPA, and the AI here. Excuse me. Right. At the right hand side, we have the business process management, process mining, and the task mining here. Okay. So sorry, guys. So transformation actually require the end-to-end automation. Yeah. So we need actually to not only just actually is a digital, but also the robotic. Remember just now actually I demonstrated the video. So you actually have the some digital process, some actually is RPA, right? And of course, I did not actually demonstrate others like features process mining, but I can show you guys where is that the feature set. Yeah. Right. Okay, let's look into this actually. Of course, with this actually is the end-to-end actually is the automation actually is the solution or tools we have here. So we can be interact with the data and the services example again. Whether actually it's a cloud data, whether actually it's on-premise, whether actually it's a third-party or standalone application. So long we have those connected, and we can be also from either automation here integrate, yeah, direct or native integrate, yeah, into different actually is the Power Platform tools, example Power Apps, yeah, Copilot, and so on here, right? So through the different UX and the user experience and the UI as well here, right? So Power Platform in having say so here, right? So this Power Platform actually is again, this is based on the what actually is the research here, right? So 48 million actually is the monthly the active user, right? So it's the #1 adopted actually is a low-code platform, yep, and serving over the 97% of the Fortune 500 the company. Believe maybe you one of that, yeah. Right, and this is something actually is some research lah, yeah, and report as well here. 248% hour saved, yeah, less than 6 months ROI. 39.85 actually is a risk-adjusted net presented value here lah. All right. Often this actually is a feedback from the entertainment firm lah. All right. They didn't mention the name, but this is the noon. Yeah. All right. So now, to elaborate on the focusing on the innovation. All right. We want to break down actually is this from an organization into the teams. Vision or team's objective, department objective, and the last one actually is the organization vision here. All right. So we have to imagine examine the what the skill at each level to maximize the potential across the list of the organization. Let's look into the first teams here, right? And starting with the individual, right? And you are the individual. You want to make up actually is the team member in your organization actually is a skill here. So every team can benefit from this automation, yeah, right? So every person actually like you definitely have a challenge and a struggling day-to-day basis. example, data manipulation, summarizing, document processing. So we know every single Agile person, yeah, across every job function to going to need some way to optimize this activity just now I mentioned, right, Anna? So with this actually is combination of the Power Automate, Copilot, and AI Builder together. I believe your guy again can be actually visualize what actually I show you just now is a Power Automate and the AI Builder. Yeah, help you actually to achieve on the document processing. Do you guys see actually notification email? Yeah, approval. Yeah, and so on. Right. So this is actually is a Power Automate give you the low code interface to automate the process in terms from the intuitive AI. Yeah, easy to use the low code connector and the desktop recording. Okay, so you can access from a desktop. Again, the demo just now I demonstrated to you, which actually is part using the Power Automate the desktop recording. Yeah, drag and drop interface. I always say it is kind of like flowchart. 1400 actually is the preview the connector and the UI. Yeah, and with the AI assistant, the authoring, you still can build a flow right code with the natural language. Remember, I show you actually it's through the natural language to prompt, then they will create a Power Apps. And also you can use the AI record step with the speech and screen sharing. That actually from the the capability in the Power Automate desktop, get help from document, and of course the low code AI. So you can have the preview and the custom model, intelligent document processing, Gen AI prompt, and also image data extraction, which actually just now I already demonstrated. All right, having said so, I want to bring you guys actually is the coming soon the demo to you how actually I built this the Power Automate desktop and the integration between these, right? Okay, let me just quickly do this is actually is through the AI the features right now have it in the desktop flow. Yeah, it's a new multi-model AI, show and tell chain AI and the cell repair. All right, but before we do so, let's actually show you guys actually just Power Automate desktop the video I recorded. I created this the demo here. All right. You probably can see the right hand side that is some the Power Automate the flow combination of the digital DPA combination of the AI combination actually of the Power Automate desktop. The earlier actually I demonstrated to you just actually is a high level. Right now I just show you this is how easy actually to build. Yeah, build this actually features in the Power Platform. Let me just start this the video. Right. Let's click the new flow. Yeah, I just put actually simple because this is the pre-created. Yeah, right. So I just put the flow name. Example is the demo how to record. I want to show you actually how easy it is to record here. So once you do that, they will bring the Power Automate the desktop. In the computer, you already installed the Power Desktop application here, right? So they will come out of this interface to you. Okay. Then you can actually use to press the record the button. Yeah, the record button actually is here. Right. So when you press the record the button is here, then they will give you actually is recorded the interface to display each the click you click you action in the desktop application. In this case example, I just click the start and then click the Excel. All right. Okay, whatever actually you guys will be noticed when I click on here, they will right hand side actually to recorded those are the action just now I talked about, yeah, and so on. So whatever click. I think this one just to show you this is the RPA. Typically, actually you may have the legacy the desktop application. I demonstrate actually using the desktop application is Excel. Let me just fast forward. I want to show you actually is one actually you already recorded. Let me just a little bit here. Right. Give me a while. When I click the done here, right? Whatever just now actually you click those actually is action, right? Or not in the desktop application, they all would be the recorded. And of course, with this actually the recorded here, right? I can be replay, yeah, replay, right? This actually replay the run it, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's click the run here, right? So whatever actually the just now recorded, all the this actually is a step I recorded. They will actually will repeat for me. Okay, so this is all those the recorded, yeah, and then they just replay. All right, so now we already have a recorded Power Automate desktop recorded. Okay, right. So I just demonstrate on that, but of course I have the others. Those actually is Power Automate the desktop actually is recorded. Even you can be can I say drag and drop, those actually is a step by step. In the left hand side, you will see that is an action. So this is they say you recorded already, but you still want to be the put those the additional the action after you clicking the this record. So can I actually is add further or not? So the answer is a yes. Right. I show you that this is some those loop and so on. All right. Okay. And even actually you can be putting some the this the data input after the run the this desktop computer, they will actually generate the output and so on. Okay, so have a look. Yeah, all right. Just a fast forward. Okay, to show you this is the how it read. So I have the one that is the Excel file with the pre-template lah. So because I want to get the something actually is the data from somewhere and then insert the data into the this the Excel with already recorded, and those are the steps I modified, which actually is I add in, updated. Right. So of course I rerun the this thing testing to to ensure what the recorded those step or everything according the outcome I need. Now I switch back actually to the Power Automate, yeah, cloud flow, yeah. In another term, we call the DPA, digital digital process the automation. Okay, then we actually is the from here already have the pre-create, right? Already pre-done the listing, but I just demonstrate this is a step how I did. Right, it's a step where example I have this when the new email address arrive with the attachment, okay, with the attachment, and of course the address would be have the what I call it, following those actually is the action, the step I already added and created. So extract information from the data, yeah, from a form. And of course, there is other those the action step in the Power Automate, example, converting into the HTML, yeah, and so on. Right. And the last thing, actually, I pass to run a flow build with the Power Automate for desktop. So this data, whatever actually extract from the what do you call it, from the email data part attachment here, right? They will pass whatever those extract data into the Power Automate desktop. All right, let's go on. So once the editing is done, they send an email saying that this is something extracted and also added into the by the Power Automate desktop, and in this case it is Excel here. Let me just do the test. Yeah, all right. So let's look. All right, I have some example again similarity with this actually is a picture file. Give me a while. All right, I think it's just I want to show the no problem. Give me one. All right, I put a specific that is the subject. Okay, this is a format. Something is like that. Yeah. So based on the what actually is the email received with this attachment, AI Builder again will extract. That is the similar the demo just now I did, but I show you that this is the how the step by step how we do so. Right. So okay, that's the flow. So when the email is sending here, right, then actually is the Power Automate, the flow will be start, trigger and running, right? Let's take a couple of the, I think less a minute, I'm not mistaken. Okay, can you see that now? Actually, I start calling the Power Automate desktop, what I did, and filled up actually it's accordingly, yeah, successfully running, yeah. And this is the email. Remember just now I say that this is something, those are invoice I extracted with the HTML I converted in my Power Automate, right? And those are the data actually they fill in all actually from the PDF sent attachment from the email here, right? So what do you think? So this is what actually I want to demonstrate to everyone here, the the automation, and the team or personal perspective, you may have such actually is the talent here. Now, we want moving at least to the department, right? Of course, in theory, you have this talent. Now you start build on that, but you will start actually across the different department here, right? So this actually is to story here, right? Sorry, this is actually is with the Power Automate automation toolkit they have. So they have the ability to connect to any the system again by this more than 1,400 data connector, whether against to the cloud services, databases, and the API. You also can be seamless the hybrid connectivity via the on-prem data here. They say you have a database in your on-premise, example SQL database or SharePoint on-premises, right? If they say actually those application, they come with the API, so we can actually through the custom connector as a building block. Yep. Last actually, if remember I talked about those legacy apps. My demonstration actually to you guys Excel is assumption actually is like legacy apps here. They not come with the API. Yeah. Without the API, so we can using this RPA to achieve the automation and integration, right? So I also demonstrate with this actually is approval, yeah. So it's a streamline the approval, right? So you can create a new approval flow via the trigger from the system-driven event. Just now actually the system-driven event is the email arrive, yep. And also we can actually is to all approval actually is all stored in the back end actually is a database, is a data system from a Power Platform. Once again, it's a robust, scalable, and secure, right? And access control retention policy, basically you want to meet the organization, the policy, and the compliance. Security ensure requested at the approval all can, we can actually have this type of the decision and the access control here. Right. So that actually is the end-to-end demonstrate. Just now I show you guys my video, but in this actually is a slide here. We have been leverage different technology in this the intelligent automation, right? Yeah. So like example, the digital process automation through those that actually is Outlook connector. We use the whatever those actually is you created through the AI build, they are stored into database. Yeah. Right, you can validate Power Apps, allow human to validate. Example, you can build a Power Apps here to validate, and then fix those actually error. Then last thing actually you can through the RPA here, right? Or actually you can be the DPA plus the AI builder. Just now I demonstrate on that. Okay, we can also with so many actually is those are the mission critical the automation running across the department. So you need a way, right, to monitor and manage the work item effectively, right? Or not? So probably you are actually submit different and working collaborate different division here, right? Or not? So Power Automate provide you a full digital workspace, yeah, management, include those dedicated work queue, yeah, dedicated work queue, and also actually can help you to monitoring and track those service level agreement, average those processing time. Yeah, so then your department actually can ensure running smoothly and the critical workflow and the prioritize here, right? This actually is the comprehensive is a low code. Yeah, the low code actually is a suit from a Power Platform, and for the modern business here, right? So the automation can bring you a business can be extend to the native integration with the others. Yeah, right. So like I think this is something actually is the different actually is to give you actually is a different business benefit here. Hey, we can extend the automation with the custom copilot. Yeah, bring your system to life with the custom copilot, engage the assist user. Basically, with the Copilot Studio, we can be actually is to trigger or call those the action. Example, hey, I want to get approval to the Copilot Studio. Example, they say I'm asking something on maybe leave the application in my the HR assistant the agent here. Right. Hey, and in the case of the Power Apps, yeah, you also can be integrate Power Apps and the Power Automate. That is the beginning. I show you guys actually is on the video. How easy the integration in between across the multiple the features in the Power Platform here, right? So Power Apps actually can help connect users to process in the flow of the work. Yeah, whether they are working on Microsoft Teams, again, it's the integration with the Microsoft system or the website. Yeah. So using this type of native integration, you can build the experience tailored for the specific needs here, right? Okay. This is the ROI. Yeah. 2.2 the times productivity lift, 2.6 increase the adoption, and of course the efficiency, the saving here. With the just now we talked about those challenges. Okay. Now let's be moving at least to the organization level. So you will see the different view than the people building and running automation. You think how you want to scale and deploy a confidence, how to get a visibility, how to get a better management and control. So definitely you need this agility is the enterprise tool help you to maximize the value, yeah, and minimize the risk here. All right. So with this actually is the digital transformation happen. You can use the automation to continuous improvement. It's not just about improve one or two process, but it's a building optimize 1,000 of the process here. So every single process that can be automated should be automated. Yeah, we always want to looking for the automation, whatever as much as possible. Yeah, we want to optimize it. Yeah, so we may need actually to centralize, which actually is to support this innovation. Actually, is the COE is come from our automated come with the COE case for you. All right, keep your data secure. We want to meet the organization governance and train activate user at every level to use the Power Automate, empower them. Yeah, innovate with the process with the AI and beyond that. Once again, we want to scale it, orchestrated it, automate it, yeah. And the last thing actually we will improve. So if it be based on here, we will be actually is not only just 1-2 process again, it's 1,000 process here. So you can deploy with this actually this Power Platform with a confidence. That is the security investment actually from Microsoft is a R&D compliance. Example, you have an organization need to meet those compliance such as the CSA, HIPAA, right? What else? Medical industry, or maybe FSI, whatever here, and governance here, right? So they already have with this actually is the capability, right? We will talk about actually high level later part. All right. So the right tool for your governance requirement, Power Platform the admin, so they will standard. They give you actually is this the interface. Right, I can just quickly to demonstrate where is this is a location actually on. So this actually is coming back actually to my Power Platform. So you can click the Power Platform. This is admin center. Yeah, you can build those the governance around your data apps. You can view the analysis, those local assets on your organization. Yeah, and you also can be the what actually is the best practice. Yeah. and also you can be the add-on as well here. All right. So this is the environment we talk about. Yeah. So there is some those management actually the tools can be help you to achieve the governance actually requirement. Analysis, just now I talked about that. Yeah. Even here actually building, example, the licensing, how can I manage it? Yeah. With the Copilot actually today, I can be also the analyze what actually is my usage, yeah, of governance and so on. I think that it's just a very quick show you on the Power Platform Admin Center. All right. They come with also the just now we talk about the Center of the Excellence here. Okay. The automation also center, there is a end-to-end center here, yeah, right? Inside the Power Automate, we call it automation center here. Give you the overview, yeah, of 360-degree here, right? The monitoring, alerting, governance, yeah, and on the skill, the orchestration, governance, those are mega admin, yeah. Also, that is optimization. All right. So this gives you the end-to-end view. You can be also the optimized, yeah, by we call it the process mining. Yeah, it's a part of the actually it's a Power Automate, help you to identify your the Power Automate flow you build, or even actually you have those existing the business process with those the event or log. They can actually to identify what actually is a bottleneck, how to identify the gate here, and then to fine tune, to automate it, and definitely again speed up your digital transformation. Let me just a quick demo. I say quick demo. Actually, it's a quick show you where is this actually is the location. You come to the process mining. Yeah, this is one of the process mining in the Power Automate. Right. Then the give you actually is the improvement. Yeah. So I think that is the previous I have it. Yeah. So you can be true that these are the identified, right? And you can be also some those are the popular the template they have it. Yeah. Right. Our platform or even the finance that is the on the others the product like SAP and so on. Yeah. Right. And you can actually download the apps actually to again import those the data or event here. Right. So that is something actually it can be start here, import the data, and then through the here, they will help you to connect, transform, and visualize the process map. Yeah. Then understand your complex business. And of course, you can record those the action required to complete. And then once again, they also identify those the process gap and opportunity actually to improve it. Right, just very quick show you where is this actually is a process mining. Right, you can simplify and save those the hosted the RPA the infrastructure simplify setup using the Microsoft the hosted virtual machine. So remember we talked about actually when we I demonstrate actually is the recorded the desktop application in the machine, right or not? So you can use actually your the device or your computer, the machine here, right? But not only just that, you also can be hosted using the Microsoft hosted, yeah. And you can manage your workload peak with the machine automate skill to optimize efficiency, yeah. And last thing actually optimize resource between the process, yeah, and make it actually this is a load balancing between the teams and organization and so on here. All right. So that is the function. All right. Having said so, that actually is a leader in the hyper automation across a different category in this the power the automation. Yeah. Is a leader again. That is a 2023 the Gartner actually report. Yeah, I think that is some those are the report. I think just to show you the single, the unified actually is a Power Automate the solution help actually see the process here. All right. I want to actually to jump in actually to the demo here, right? I want to show you actually is how actually is use the AI builder in the Power Automate. Okay. right-hand side, actually, I also demonstrate this is the Power Automate the desktop DPF, digital process flow, how to extract. Because past actually is two demo, and the demonstrate actually is the how can use the Power Automate with the AI builder. Now let's look a little bit deep on here. Okay, let me just play on that. So I click this the my file. Yeah, I actually have the Excel file. So I created this Excel file. With this actually is a standard yeah, standard the column, yeah, or standard the structure I need. Okay, all right, I just fast forward a little bit. All right. So you will see this the column actually is like created for the Excel. I want to demonstrate not only just actually it can be happen into the different, but also it can be actually is able do the AI builder for the Excel as well here, right? So now I can go to actually is the AI model in the Power Automate. That actually is the let me just pause it. That is the multiple those the preview the template you have it. It definitely also can be used a custom model. This is a custom model. This is a pre-built model. It means actually it's already pre-trained by the Microsoft, yeah, or built in Microsoft. Okay, now I'm selected this, right? This actually will show you actually is the accuracy of score when actually I have this document here, right? Yeah, with the able to extract the information by the score. They may not 100%, it probably actually is 90% and above. When you point at each of the data, yeah, they have it. Yeah. Let me just the quick pause. Okay, 97% based on this actually they identify through the AI builder, all right, or analyze. Okay, let me just fast forward. Yeah, all right. Now, with this actually is the model I have. Give me a while. Just want to pause it. Okay. After you satisfy all the this actually is the preview and with the score. So you can use a pre-built model. You want to use it in the flow. My case actually is demo in the Power Automate flow, but you also can be use it actually use in the apps here. It means they say you use it in the apps here, right? Then I can use the Power Apps to scan a document, then able to extract according to this the AI builder engine that extract those documents. All right, I fast forward. So when I use this flow, they actually have the preview. Those actually is a template with the Power Automate. Yeah. So right, they already had it in this. Okay. Right. So just have a quick look. You can be upload not only just PDF picture file, and that is the content. They can be extract. I actually convert into HTML. I think I remember this one actually is an add-on. Yeah. All right. Let me just move on. Yeah. Very similarity. Just now what we did, and of course I add one more. Actually, is the from the template they built. I want to add the list row into a table. Yeah. Right, this is a little bit of that energy is added. So once actually everything is done, yeah, let me just fast forward on that. Okay, now I test the flow. So then I will upload actually is the document. Yeah, with this, then they were able to run the flow, and of course, they run successfully by the extract information from the invoice. They will insert what actually they extracted. All right. And they also will send an email and then they'll tell you what is the score, what actually is the data extracted. Yeah, with those actually score with the table as well here. All right. Okay. That is just a quick thing that is done on the another actually is a demonstrate another type of the document in the picture file. Right. So that actually is on the AI builder in the Power Automate. The next thing actually I want to show you is an AI prompt in the Power Automate. Right. So you can be used the one of the features we call it the GPT. Yeah. That actually is powered by the GPT engine. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look. how the AI prompt. Okay, so we can enhance, if you look on that, we can boost the workflow and automation with the power of the generative AI. It means that you leverage the AI, the technology called Gen AI, using the natural language and prompt allow you, and then help you to summarize, drafting, answer those are the questions. So I'm created this AI prompt here, right? In the Power Automate, help me to, I built my own custom prompt, but here they also have the popular template. Example, I can extract information from text. Example, they said you had an email with those body you pass to them or summarize for you or extract, or you want to classify or detect languages here. But in my demo here, I just built my custom. I show you how it looks like. Okay, before that, I create a data, right? Previously, I created data in the Excel. This demo, I created data in the SharePoint list. Yeah, so this quick one. So I created sorry, maybe just a quick one, what the column I created. Just to show you the column I created. All right, pause. Street, address, city, state, and the zip code here. All right, let me just run it. Right now, continue the video. Right. So I'm using these are the custom prompt here. Want to convert the address text into the JSON. I know a bit technical, but it's in the structured format. Okay, let me just fast forward. Then actually I put the prompt. I want to receive the data from someone. This actually is a sample data I have. So I just type this my sample data. Jalan Tundaza, Kuala Lumpur, add input here. So I have this text input is there. This is an input. And definitely this is the input text I will receive from someone and help me actually to generate the output in the JSON format. Let me just fast forward JSON format. All right, so let's see. So we can test the prompt. Yeah, we can test the prompt. Of course, before the test prompt here, also there is a setting here you can change whether you want to use a GPT-4 or mini or you want to use an advanced. But in our case, we just want to text only, unless actually you want to analyze or handle the data into a document or image. All right, so I just maintain on that. Okay, now I test the prompt, then this is how the JSON format they will be created. Of course, when you have this JSON format created, I can be passed the data into the other process into the Power Automate. All right, let me just fast forward. Okay, now I'm creating this input, just a very quick one, AI builder. I select the create text with the GPT using the prompt. All right. Okay, now actually I insert what actually is the address from the manual, the trigger from the Power Automate. Right, this quick one. And then I just need to get an approval for this text, right? So then I will actually do text address into this the approval. Let me just fast forward a bit, all right, due to time constraint. All right, we have 7 minutes to go. I have a last thing actually want to cover, just a very quick to show you guys. Okay, now actually is I create an item into the SharePoint based on the what actually is the AI prompt. They create the output into the JSON format and then store it into my SharePoint list. The SharePoint list. Yep. Right. So let's just run it. I'm typing actually is the sample. Right. Just fast forward. Right. So this is the address I enter is a beginning. Okay. After that, then actually they will be through the AI prompt in the Power Automate and insert the data from this AI prompt. Then actually they will be asked me to approve. And the lastly, actually, they will be see this the data actually they're able to come out. And the last thing, actually, I insert the data into the SharePoint, right? So that actually is the talk about on the the automation in the Power Platform here. Last piece, actually, I just want to bring you guys actually is the Copilot. Yeah. All right. So that is the last actually is the thing that I want to share with you guys. Okay. So as a definitely the volume and the high demand on the customer, even an employee, right? You continue actually to demand higher. So we need an efficient and the scalable, right or not? So Copilot actually is in this case is an AI assistant help you to address by the consistency here. So this is some example for your customer. They want actually to call you, yeah, to ask actually the mail or product support, whatever. Yeah, for your partner, you want to streamline the interaction with your partner mission. For your employee, you want to onboarding, finance policy, whatever here, right? Yeah, so you may have the data already in the different the ecosystem, and you may have the different the communication collaboration the channel here. So how can we actually use this actually is Copilot? All right. So modernize your customer and employee experience. Definitely, again, 88%, yeah, from this the source here to achieve the information answer right now. Solve your customer quickly, reduce the overhead cost. I just bring faster. Yeah, all right. Improve your user productivity experience by the AI assistant here. Instantly assist your customer, get answer and quickly multi-language, multi-channel. Yeah, create your own pilot in the minute. I think that's the key. All right, connect to your line of the business here. Definitely get the benefit of the trusted SaaS platform. In this case, it's a Power Platform with the easy integration with the Microsoft tools here. But organization always encounter challenge when you're building an agent. Yeah, you have the budget and the time constraint. You have the infrastructure resources of hosting. Yeah, you need to handle multiple requests simultaneously without slowing down. You want to integrate with the business system. You need a technical expertise to build on that or subject matter expert here. And your challenge also, you need to meet this or comply, align with the security and the compliance. And last thing, the maintaining of the content here. So basically, you need to constantly to manage the content here. All right. So we want to introduce actually is a Copilot is the agent. Yeah, it's an assistant can help you to optimize. Yeah, and enhance it. You can be published to your application. You can be add or integrate with the Microsoft 365 the Copilot, and also you can be extended with the Power Platform. Yeah, which actually is the earlier I demonstrate, and the Dynamic 365 as well here. So does the agent assist on the spectrum here, right? So they are actually to different call the serve you the purpose, different the purpose. Example, some organization they just want to retrieve the information for the grounding the data, reason, yeah. And also you want to have the action after actually I retrieve it, then actually I have the action that actually is to perform the action. And last thing, actually I want to operate independently. Actually is the standalone, but this one actually is still in the preview. Right. So this is some example actually is example of the solution here. IT help desk agent. Yeah. From the simple actually to advanced, I just bring the quick one. So Copilot Studio is a platform to build the agent that extend the Microsoft 365 Copilot or operate actually is the standalone. Yeah, right. So it's an end-to-end actually solution. Yeah, complete actually is a life cycle. Example, meet the user where they already have it, access everything in one place, automate the workflow and so on. All right. And definitely may be able to direct that diff actually connect to your data in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So you can create a chat experience, intelligent, secure, automated, customized, yeah, and so on. But I want to actually quickly to show you guys the demo, right? So of course, the solution for AV, the persona, whether you are from the customer service, sales, finance, legal, or and so on here. All right. Let me just quickly to show you how actually is the agent builder. in the Microsoft 365 Copilot chat here, right? Let me just run it quickly. So from here, right, Copilot actually is by default when you guys is log into 365, yeah. So then actually they will be appear you with the can get the agent or create the agent here. I just here demonstrate the agent already have it. Of course, you can get the agent directly, yeah, which actually that is the plenty of the agent already come with. Yeah, then you just open it, add it, and open it. All right, I want to demonstrate actually I create my own agent here. All right. So this created agent here, we can be using the template, which actually career coach the template, prompt coach the template, and so on. However, they also supporting actually natural language you describe to the Copilot Studio, yeah, a builder here, AI, this agent builder here is ask, hey, can you create an agent to, yeah, to answer the question, yeah, let me just fast forward about this product example. All right. So they actually they will be help you to reply. This is something those are the template, yeah, the prompt template to you, yeah, and of course you still can be further actually to describe, right? Or they say everything is good, you say all right, and then also they will actually suggest to you what the agent that names here. So they will suggest the place of flow info board, but you still can ask actually to change. Let me just fast forward. So I won't prefer immediately actually they will change it Microsoft Surface Pro board here. All right. Of course, for the specific action here, you still can be still can be actually to interactive further actually with the natural language in the Copilot here. All right. So of course, the more after that, then actually they will be the build accordingly the description and the prompts to you. All right. So assume everything actually is done already. Yeah. Then you can click this configure further actually to configure example the icon, whatever, yeah, and so on. So once it's done it, actually it still can be customized at least those the starter, the prompt, and so on. And and of course, last thing I want to at least to show you, I have knowledge or information data in the website here. All right. So in the website here, actually I'm pointing to the what actually is Microsoft website have with this actually information about this product is called Surface Pro here. All right. So I still can be through the here testing what actually this the Copilot here with those actually is the prompt to the Copilot I'm building here. So once everything is satisfied, then you can start create the agent here, and then you can be shared to anyone in your organization. All right. So with this actually, I can be right now actually test it, click on that, and actually I can ask, yeah, or prompt. Those actually is a template already have it, or you can type yourself. In this case, actually, I just using those templates that have it, yeah, and so on. Then they will return actually is the generate those the answer actually back to my this Copilot I build. All right, so this is a quick one, just a demo to everyone here. Right now, I know a little bit over the time here, guys. Yeah, just give me actually it's very quick one. I just want to summarize. So we actually have this ecosystem, the value just now we talked about the four, yeah, which actually is the application modernization, extend the life of the business, and also the hyper automation. And last thing actually is the Copilot here. With this actually, Power Platform also come with this the ecosystem. Yeah, so we can be Copilot in Power Platform, which I already demonstrate. They also come with those actually is the platform help you actually to meet your the organization governance and the security. And not only just actually to you as a maker, if they say you are the professional, the developer, so they also able to extend it for you. And last thing actually is intelligent data the platform here. So I'm going actually to quickly just to show you the last thing here, right? Just now actually I just summarize what actually this is we have it. Yeah. All right. This is actually is the last thing actually I want to share with you guys. Actually, our training center actually is the offering the Power Platform the courses here. This is a roadmap. Yeah. So if you guys interested, actually you can register, yeah, or join actually is the class in the whether if you are interested on the Power Apps, Power Automate. Fundamentally, they say you want to store your data into the SharePoint. You also can become to the SharePoint for end user. And of course, I demonstrate actually is on the, they say you want to go for the RPA, AI builder. So this actually is a course actually available. And the Power App, they will be also advised to go for the intermediate level. Yeah, if you actually intend you want to be certification, that also actually our training center offer the Microsoft the platform certification. And the last thing actually I would like to say thank you. I know actually I will run 5 minutes. Yeah, sorry about that. Amir, are you want to taking over from here?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mikaelim, for the session just now.
You have something to share, yeah?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
If we a few minutes, I think we are wrap up, yeah? Amir? Yeah.
Okay. Just a quick. This one. I have. Move on to the next session, the Q&A session. But I just a few question that if you can see the Q&A part now, some of the question here is, let me read for you lah.
Okay.
It said I'm from marketing, so I can build the CRM with the low code. They asking lah for.
Okay. The question actually is say, if they say I have a CRM system, right, Anna? Yeah, can I build a low code? Actually, basically, it's talk about the extending the line of the business or applications with the Power Platform. The answer actually is yes. With that, actually, they say the CRM system, they come with the connector. Or if they say you do not have the Microsoft, those pre-built connector, they say you have the API, we still can use a custom connector to integrate. Basically, Power Platform integrate with your CRM system. If they say your CRM system does not come with the API, which actually I demonstrate just now is on the legacy apps, can I actually do this integration? Then we can actually do the hyper automation in the RPA. Yeah, right?
Okay. Okay, the next one. What happen if the error on the application when running the recorded replay for the Power Automate desktop?
What happened is the error on the application when running.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the error then actually is that you need to identify, because sometimes you recorded those steps here, right? It can be you overclick. That is a one. Another actually is the error here, right? Yeah. Another actually is the error. Probably actually is the there is the disadvantage on those the application that you recorded. They say tomorrow you have a new update. Your screen actually is run out of the position already. So you need to be the capture lah, re-record again lah. Yeah. All right. But if they say you replay, you find the error, that actually is something you need to be fine, which the step caused the actually is error. Yeah, Anil.
Okay, and just not, and for the list, is it possible to build an AI agent with the own our organization data and have
It's
the
a
accurate response?
yes, the answer actually is yes. Assumption they say your data actually you can be in your web data, means a website data, like just now I demonstrate. Another actually data you can be stored it into your SharePoint document library or OneDrive. Yeah, then actually you can build an AI agent, yeah, to access your own organization data. The mean actually is like that. Yeah, so long actually you had a Microsoft 365, those are the ecosystem, that actually is not limit you to build an AI agent here. Okay, Mel.
Okay. Just this one I also got this one new. Okay. The Power Automate. The Power Automate and Power App is free to use. They asking
Okay,
or need
all
the
right.
when they have the license for enterprise.
Okay, so, by default, when actually is those customer come with a Microsoft 365 license, whether you are business plan, whether you are enterprise plan, they already come with a Power Automate and a Power Apps with a standard actually those connector, all right, without any the cost here. So means actually you are ready and start can be used. Yes.
Oh, okay. For the last one, I think for today is for each Power Automate RGA, do we need separate virtual machine?
Okay, I think that is a good question. All right, when actually it's a Power Automate RPA here, right? When you record, it's an advisor. The best practice you use actually is an entire, we call it the empty machines to record. That is a practice. When actually you want to, once actually your those RPA actually recorded, you want to everyday run it, it's also advisable you have the separate dedicated the machine to run. If they say you want to run it on your the user, means your own the PC, they will be interrupt actually to your the daily work right now. So or that actually is the best practice you have the separate actually is a VM. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Wikileaf. I think we are here for the end now. But before we end, just let me share a few things for the participant that attending this workshop. I would like to share the program that we promote after this, that you can continue if you think this good for you, and then this will be the program that we will be sh- okay. The program that we promote to you is Microsoft Power Apps Essential 2 days program, and also Microsoft Automate Essential 2 days program. We have classes in May and July, or also the Automate Essential May and July. But if you want to attend the AI Builder Essential, you need to attend both Power Apps Essential class and also Automate class first, and then you can join the AI Builder Essential class. So all the program here is HRD claimable. So can scan the QR code in the screen now, and then just briefly to chat to us what you if you want to join this one. Okay. Okay, before we end to the webinar today, I would like to request your help to Google review us. Has a screen we have show the QR code. Can scan and then provide us a 5 star if you like this our webinar. And then I will pause this for 1 minute for you guys to scan and then review us and give us a feedback lah, so we can add more the good thing for if you from your comment. Okay, for the last for today, okay, thank you, Vicky Lim, for today. And then, if you have any training query or need more in detail on today workshop, feel free to email us and also WhatsApp us. Scan the number at the screen now, and let me know anything that you want to like to know lah.